Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. First, once you're logged in to your Google Ads account, look at the left-hand panel. Click on Tools and Settings. Then under the Shared Library section, select Audience Manager. Now you'll see any existing audiences you have. If you already have one, you can use it to create your lookalike audience. But if you don't have any audience yet, don't worry, just click on Set up an audience source. From here, click on Data Segments and choose what kind of audience you want to create. You can base it on website visitors, app users, YouTube users, a customer list, or even data from Google Analytics. Now select a data source, click on Connect a data source, then log into your Shopify account to link it directly. Once everything's connected, just wait a few moments while Google Ads processes the data. And that's it. You now have a lookalike audience ready to use in your campaigns. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.